Hello there! It's time for our monthly product update again. I'm Dorina, and I can't wait to show you the new features we've prepared for you. If it's your first time joining us, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with all our news. Ready to get started? Let's go!
We're happy to let you know that it is now possible to view, edit and compare actual time worked to planned allocations in FTE or days. Open the project details of a project and select the Allocations tab. Under either the Allocations or the Actual Time Worked button in the toolbar, click Start Comparison and select the desired allocation unit. This update allows you to gain insight about the progress of your portfolio on the level that you normally plan on. Inactive resources are no longer visible in Meisterplan. Assigning a resource as the project manager will successfully link them to the project. By entering a termination date in the past in the resource pool will mark the resource as inactive, indicating that they are no longer available for assignments. Back in the Project Details view, you'll see the project manager marked as inactive, clearly indicating their new status. Once you remove this inactive project manager and search for a replacement, the inactive resource will no longer appear in the drop-down menu. This feature ensures that only active resources are available for selection, keeping resource management organized and efficient. We're happy to let you know that resources in your Meisterplan system will now be listed as first name last name, instead of last name, first name. This update is just one of the many ways we're working to ensure that Meisterplan remains focused on the people that matter most to your organization.
We truly value your input and active involvement in Meisterplan's evolution.
You're warmly invited to explore our product roadmap, where your votes and comments on existing, upcoming, or potential features help shape our priorities. Plus, we're always excited to hear any fresh ideas for new features you might suggest.
Should you wish to talk about upcoming feature or need more information on Meisterplan, don't hesitate to write us an email at support@meisterplan.com, or for immediate assistance, visit our help center. We're always here to support you. Wishing you a wonderful day and looking forward to connecting with you next month. Bye!